This is the 3-step anti-slip dog ramp that I got on Amazon for my dog. He's about 14 pounds. He's a little Italian Greyhound, Schnauzer mix, a little bit of Chihuahua in there. But I thought it'd be great for him, for his size, to help get up on the couch as he's getting a little bit older. But I noticed in the picture that this thing looks a lot bigger than it is in real life, so I just wanted to point that out. This guy measures out at about 1 foot tall with the third ramp, the third step added. And you can see it in comparison to a couch and an ottoman. So it's not as large as it looks, but it still works for my intended purpose. This third step is removable too. You can unzip it and take it off and use it as a 2-step. In the 2-step format, it is 8 inches tall. It's made out of a nice soft foam. There is an anti-slip faction to it. Let's see what we got inside of here. It's just a foam block with a wrap on it, but it works for its intended purpose, and my dog likes it, and if he likes it, I like it.